Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to send Cardano from Crypto.com to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. With crypto evolving fast, this guide will keep things simple and up to date so you can transfer your ADA tokens without any hassle. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Crypto.com app and Coinbase Wallet set up on your device. Update them to the latest versions for 2025 to avoid any compatibility issues. Once that's done, open your Crypto.com app and log in securely. Step 1. Navigate to your wallet section in Crypto.com. Look for your Cardano, ADA, balance and select it. You'll see an option to withdraw or send. Go ahead and tap that. Step 2. You'll need the recipient address from your Coinbase wallet. Open the Coinbase app, go to your ADA wallet, and copy the address. Pro tip. Always double-check this address to prevent any irreversible mistakes, as crypto transactions can be undone. Step 3. Back in Crypto.com, paste the Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of ADA you want to send, and don't forget to review the network fees. Cardano uses the ADA blockchain, so fees might vary based on network congestion in 2025. Step 4. Hit confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to verify it with your app's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. Once approved, sit tight while the blockchain processes it. It usually takes a few minutes. Finally, head over to your Coinbase wallet to confirm the ADA has arrived. If everything went smoothly, you're all set. Remember, crypto can be volatile, so always transfer with caution. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.